Hello and welcome to the Blender Harvest. In this video we are going to continue with transform, which is I usually don't use, but you may want to use it. Yeah, if you click the transform, it gives you option at the same time to move it, to scale it, and to rotate it. I think it is confusing to use this, but in some cases or for someone it may be useful. So I wanted to show you uh, at the edge you can move, you can scale with this, and you can rotate. It is useful for someone, as I mentioned before, but for me it is not useful. I usually don't use, and I think it is too difficult for newcomers. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel, and see you at next video.